Hello everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 16 of 30 tips in 30 days how to get stuff done. And today we're going to tackle myth number 3. And this myth is that if I could just learn to manage my time, I could be productive. In other words, people often feel, and clients who I work with have often suggested that all they need to do is to learn to manage their time, and then they feel that they would be productive and they could get things done. Unfortunately, the reality is that your time can't be managed. And I think we've mentioned this before in this series, but time is going to tick away 60 seconds in every minute, 60 minutes in every hour, 24 hours in every day. And it's just going to continue on regardless of how we feel about it, what we have to get done, or whatever else is sitting on our schedule. But there are two things that you can manage. One is tasks, and the other is your schedule. So what you can do is learn to manage your schedule. And the other thing that you can do is to learn to manage your tasks. So the myth-busting strategy is to make sure that you are breaking down your tasks into manageable sizes and into a sequence where you can actually get your project or your thing done. And also to make sure that those pieces get put into your schedule so that your schedule actually has times set aside to get that thing done that you want to get accomplished. So if your tasks go into your schedule and your schedule is managed to give you time to do it, then you can actually be productive. I hope that's helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye now.